Welcome. In today's video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to add details about yourself on Facebook using your PC with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and head over to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select your profile to navigate directly to your personal page. Once you're on your profile, look for the About section. It's usually located below your cover photo, or in the menu options on the left-hand side. Click on About to proceed. Now, in the About section, you'll find various categories of information about yourself. Scroll down or look for the option labeled Details About You and click on it. This is where you can share more personal information that you'd like others to know. Here comes the fun part. In the Details About You section, you'll see a box where you can type in anything you'd like to share. Maybe it's a favorite quote, a brief bio, or some fun facts about yourself. It's entirely up to you. Write down whatever feels right and represents who you are. Once you've written your details, double-check everything to make sure it's just how you want it. When you're happy with what you've added, simply click the Save button. Your new details will now be visible on your profile for others to see. And that's it. You've successfully added some personal flair to your Facebook profile using your PC. It's a great way to express yourself and let others know more about you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.